What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be checking over our cars with my girlfriend because we're going to be drifting tomorrow, so we need to change a few bits on her car and I need to change spark plugs on my car. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today, and yeah, enjoy it, and tomorrow you're going to be watching drifting.
Okay, so in order to change the strut mounts on your E36, you need a 13mm wrench and a 17mm wrench. First we're going to start by removing the strut bar, because we need more room in order to be able to get everything loose. In order to make your life easier, you're going to need a 6mm wrench or a vice grips in my case to lock the strut in place, so it's going to be easier for you to undo it without it spinning inside the strut mount. Okay, one more time to make your life easier. There is a 18mm bolt that holds your shock to the hub. You need to take that off to be able to work easier on the shock and change the strut mounts.
Okay, so the reason we are going with those, they're made at HD. They're stronger than OEM, they're harder and more durable, and they have 4-year warranty, so they should be good. What we're going to do, we're going to put them like this, which is going to put the stress points on the metal itself.
So putting back the shocks, you start the other way around. You first put the bottom bolt and then you tighten it from the top.
So this is the reason why we are changing this. The bushing is non-existent. Hear a squeaking noise, huh? Okay, so in order to change the spark plugs on E36, you need a 10mm ratchet, you need a 16mm or just a spark plug wrench. I use both here. So first we're going to start by undoing the coil packs. You start from the back of the engine, it's harder to reach. Usually the wrenches have like a rubber piece inside which grabs the spark plug. And you just take it out. I always use NGK V-line. It's 4388, so they're the best ones to use for this engine. And because we have a damaged plug line, William Bosch replacement. Old versus new. After that, same way, spark. Should be enough.